People think YouTube is a straight road. Post a video, write smooth, reach the flag. Easy, clean, and guaranteed. That's the lie. This is YouTube. Ups, down, crashes, silence. One video works, next one dies. No views, no reach, no explanation. You grind for months. Algorithm ignores you. You doubt yourself. You still post. People only see the finish line. They didn't see the sleepless nights, the edits nobody watches, the motivations dying every week. YouTube is not easy. It's brutal. It tests patience. It breaks weak consistency. If you were here for comfort, quite leave it. If you are ready for the pain, keep uploading. YouTube is not easy.